Here are a couple of simple subtraction problems with decimals. We have 11.4 minus 0.54. So let's write that vertically and line up the decimals when you write it. So if you notice this problem, we have in the very first, in the hundredths place for the first number, there is nothing there, but then there is something in the hundredths place for the second number. So what we want to do here is we want to insert a 0 to do our subtraction properly. And so we perform the regular subtraction by borrowing. So we borrow 1 from the 4 in the tenths place, so the hundredths place will become a 10, then we have 10 minus 4 is 6. 3 minus 5 can't work, so we need to borrow 1 more from the 11. Make that a 0, and this becomes a 13. 13 minus 5 is 8. And keep the decimal place where it's supposed to be, 0 and 0, there's nothing there, and then a 1. So your result here is 10 and 86 hundredths. In our second example, we have 35 minus 0.25. Again, write it vertically and line up the decimal point. 35 does not have a decimal point, so we assume it's after the 5. 0.25 goes down below. And we try to subtract. Again, there's no zeros here, so we insert a 0 ourselves. And we see that we need to borrow. There's nothing here, so we need to borrow from the 5. So borrow 5, we get 10, and we borrowed one of those to get 10 over here, so that's 9. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 2 is 7. 4 minus 0 is 4, and then 3 is 3. So our final result here is 34 and 75 hundredths.